Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I introduce beautiful blouse design. This beautifully designed blouse is a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and modern fashion, crafted with premium quality fabric. It offers soft, breathable feel that keeps you comfortable all day. And the smooth textures and flawless stitching highlight the superior craftsmanship, making it an ideal choice for both casual and festive wear. The blouse features a graceful neckline that enhances the overall look while adding a touch of sophistication. Its well structured fit complements the body shape perfectly, creating a flattering and stylish silhouette. The sleeves are thoughtfully designed to provide ease of movement while maintaining a polished appearance. Attention to detail is visible in every element from the fine finishing to the neatly tailored edges. The versatile blouses pairs effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, or skirts, making it a must-have addition to any wardrobe, whether worn or a special occasion, a party, or everyday elegance. This blouse elevates your outfit with timeless charm and refined beauty, perfect for women who love classic style with a modern touch. This blouse brings confidence and grace, effortless to style every look. This stunning blouse is thoughtfully designed for women who appreciate elegance and fine detailing made from high quality fabric. It feels soft against the skin while offering long lasting comfort and durability. The fabric drapes beautifully, giving the blouse a refined and graceful appearance that enhances any outfit effortlessly. The style neckline add a modern touch while maintaining a classic charm, making it suitable for both traditional and contemporary look. Its perfectly tailored fit highlight the natural curves the body without compromising on comfort. The sleeves are designed with the precision, adding balance and sophistication to the overall design. Every stitch reflects carefully craftsmanship, ensuring a premium finish and a polished look. This blouse pairs beautifully with sarees, lehengas, and ethnic skirts, making it ideal for weddings, festive occasions, parties, for formal gatherings. Whether styled with heavy jewelry or kept minimal for a classy look, this blouse adapts effortlessly to your personal style, a timeless wardrobe essential. This blouse brings together comfort, beauty, and versatility, allowing you to express confidence, grace, and elegance whether you go. This elegant blouse is designed to bring out effortlessly beauty and timeless style. Created using premium quality fabric, it offers a smooth, lightweight feel that ensures comfort throughout the day. The fabric, rich textures, and subtle shine add a touch of luxury, making this blouse stand out in any outfit. This carefully crafted neckline enhances the overall appeal while maintaining a graceful and feminine look. Its tailored fit sits perfectly on the body, giving a flattering silhouette that suits all body type. The sleeves are thoroughly designed to add balance and sophistication, making the blouse both style and comfortable wear. Fine stitching and neat finishing showcase experts' craftsmanship, ensuring durability and refined appearance. The versatility blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, and even modern fusion wear. Whether worn for festive celebration, parties, weddings, special events, it adds elegance and charm to your symbols. A perfect combination of traditions and modern design. This blouse is ideal for women who love classic fashions with a contemporary twist. It is not just a blouse but a statement of confidence, grace, refined taste. These execute blouse are true expression of refined elegance and modern craftsmanship designed with high quality fabric. It offers a soft, breathable feel while maintaining a structured and polished look. The fabric drapes smoothly, enhancing the overall silhouette and giving the blouse luxurious finish. The neckline is beautifully styled to add a grace and sophistication, making suitable for both traditional and contemporary outfit. With a perfectly tailored fit, this blouse completes the body effortlessly, creating a flattering and confident appearance. The sleeves are carefully designed to provide comfort while adding a stylish and balanced touch. Every detail from the precise stitching to the clean edges reflects superior workmanship. This versatile blouse pairs seamlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, wear, and ethnic wear, making it perfect for wedding, festive occasions, parties, and formal gatherings. Whether styled with bold jewelry or minimal accessories, it enhances the overall look with ease. A timeless wardrobe essential. This blouse combines comfort, elegance, versatility, allowing you to carry a look of confidence and grace and effortless beauty on every occasion. This beautifully crafted blouse is designed to enhance elegance while offering unmatched comfort made from premium grade fabric. It feels light on the skin and allows easy of movement Throughout the day, the rich textures and graceful fall of the fabric give the blouse sophisticated and polished look. The neckline is thoughtfully designed to highlight the femininity while keeping the overall style balanced and refined. Its tailored fit sits perfectly on the body, enhances natural curves without feeling restrictive. The sleeves are neatly structured, adding charm and complementing the blouse with a graceful finish. Expert stitching and fine detailing reflect high quality for craftsmanship, ensuring durability and long-lasting wear. This blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, and fusion outfits and pants, making it suitable for festive occasions, parties, weddings, and elegant everyday wear. Whether styled with statement jewelry or kept minimally, it adapts beautifully to every look. A perfect blend of traditional and modern fashion, this blouse must have for women who value style, comfort, and timeless beauty. It adds confident grace and effortless application to any outfit. This stunning blouse, the perfect combination of timeless elegance and modern style. Crafted from premium quality fabric, it offers a soft, comfortable feel while maintaining a refined and graceful appearance. The smooth textures and flawless finish make it ideal long wear, ensuring both beauty and comfort throughout the day. The blouse features beautifully designed neckline that adds sophistication and enhance the overall look. Its well-fitted structure flatters and body shape, creating confident polished silhouette. The sleeves are carefully tailored to provide ease of movement while adding a stylish and balanced touch. Every detail reflects expert craftsmanship from the fine stitching to the neat edges and durability construction. This versatile blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, and ethnic skirts and pants, making it suitable for weddings, festive celebrations, parties, and formal occasions. Whether styled with traditional jewelry or modern accessories, it complements every look with ease. Designed for women who appreciate elegance, quality, and this blouse is more than just a garment. It is a statement of confident grace and refined fashion. This beautifully designed blouse reflects grace, comfort, and refined craftsmanship. Made with high quality fabric, it offers soft and smooth feel against the skin while maintaining a structured and elegant look. The fabric drapes effortlessly, enhancing the overall appearance and adding a touch of luxury to any outfit. This roughly crafted neckline brings balance and sophistication, highlight feminine charm without being overpowering. Its perfectly tailored fit flatters the body while ensuring all-day comfort. The sleeves are designed with precision, adding to the blouse's graceful silhouette and polished finish. Fine stitching and clean detailing showcase expert workmanship, ensuring durability and long-lasting wear. This versatile blouse pairs seamlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, modern fusion and styles. Whether worn with festive occasion, weddings, parties, or elegant daily wear, it elevates your look with ease. A timeless addition to any wardrobe, this blouse blends tradition and elegance with modern style, making it perfect for women who value comfort, beauty, and effortless applications. This elegant blouse is thoughtfully crafted to enhance your style with grace and comfort. Made from premium quality fabric, it offers a soft and breathable feel while maintaining a refined and sophisticated appearance. The fabric's smooth textures and subtle sheen add a luxurious touch, making it perfect for both day and evening wear. The blouse features a well-designed neckline that beautifully complements the overall silhouette, adding sophistication without overpowering the look. Its tailored fit flatters the body while allowing ease of movement, ensuring comfort throughout the day. The sleeves are neatly structured, giving the blouse a balanced and stylish finish. Every stitch reflects fine craftsmanship with the clean edges and durable construction that ensure long-lasting wear. This versatile blouse paired effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, and fusion outfit, ideal for festive celebration, weddings, parties, and elegant everyday styling. It adapts effortlessly to different occasions, a timeless wardrobe essential. This blouse combines elegance, quality, and versatility, allowing you to express confidence, charm, and refined fashions where you go. This graceful blouse is designed to add timeless beauty and effortless charm to your wardrobe. Crafted from premium quality fabric, it offers a smooth, lightweight feel that ensures comfort while maintaining a rich and elegant appearance. The fabric flow beautifully, giving the blouse and refined finish that enhance any outfit. The neckline is delicately designed to create a perfect balance between classic and elegance modern fusion. Its well-tailored fit sits comfortably on the body, highlight natural curves while allowing ease of movement. The sleeves are neatly structured, adding sophistication and complementing the blouse with a polished touch. Attention to detail is evident in the fine stitching and flawless finishing, the reflecting superior craftsmanship and durability. This versatile blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, and fusion assembles. Whether worn for weddings, festive occasion, parties, or elegant everyday wear, it elevates your look instantly. A true wardrobe essential. This blouse embodies graceful and comfort style, making it perfect for women who appreciate refined fashion and timeless elegance. This executed blouse a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and modern sophistication. Crafted from premium quality fabric, it feels soft and breathable against the skin, while the fabric's subtle sheen add a touch of luxury to every look. Its smooth drapes and impeccable finish make it ideal for both festival occasions and casual designs. Its tailored fit flatters natural curves, creating a polished silhouette that exudes confidence, age, and thoughtfully designed to ease of movement while adding a charm of balance to overall design. Every element from the precise stitching, clean finishing reflects expert craftsmanship and attention to detail. This versatile blouse pair effortlessly with the sarees, lehengas, skirts, or even fusion wear, making it suitable for weddings, parties, festive or formal gatherings. Whether styled with bold statement jewelry or kept minimal for a subtle look, it enhances every outfit beautifully. A timeless wardrobe essential. This blouse combines traditional grace with the contemporary style, bringing confidence, sophistication, and effortless elegance to your ensembles. This stunning blouse is designed to combine elegance, comfort, and timeless style. Made from premium quality fabric, it offers a soft and breathable feel, ensuring comfort throughout the day while maintaining a refined and polished look. The fabric drapes gracefully, giving the blouse a luxurious appearance that enhances any outfit. The neckline is so fully crafted to add sophistication and feminine charm, while the tailored fit flatters the natural curves, creating confident, graceful silhouette. The sleeves are carefully structured to balance style and with comfort, completing this blouse with polished finish. Attention to detail is evident in the expert stitching and immaculate finishing, reflecting high quality craftsmanship and long lasting durability. This versatile blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, or even modern fusion wear, making it perfect for wedding, festive occasions, parties, or stylish everyday assembles. A true wardrobe essential. This blouse brings together beauty, comfort, and versatility, allowing you to express your confidence, elegance, and refined fashions where you go. This blouse is designed for a perfect harmony of style, comfort, and sophistication, made with premium quality fabric. It feels soft against the skin while providing graceful drape that enhance every stitch and every outfit. The textures and finish give it a refined, elegant look, making it suitable for both festive occasions and feminine touch to the blouse. It perfectly tailored fit complements the body shape, effortlessly creating a flattering, confident silhouette. This gives structure both comfort and style, giving the blouse a polished and balanced appearance. Every detail from the fine stitching to precise finishing reflects expert craftsmanship and ensuring durability and premium feel. This versatile blouse pairs seamlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, and fusion assembles, making it ideal for wedding parties, festival, or formal gatherings. A wardrobe essential for women who love timeless fashion. This blouse combines elegance, comfort, and versatility, adding a sophistication, charm, and effortless beauty to any look. This elegant blouse is a true blend of style, comfort, and timeless sophistication, crafted from premium quality fabric. It feels soft and breathable, draping gracefully to enhance every outfit. Its smooth texture and refined finish give it a polished, luxurious look, perfect for festive occasion, parties, or stylish everyday wear. The neckline is delicately designed to add charm and feminine grace, while the tailored fit flatters off the body, beautifully created a confident, elegant silhouette. The sleeves are carefully structured to offer both comfort and balance aesthetic, complementing the blouse with a sophisticated touch. Every element of this blouse, from precise stitching of flawless finishing, reflects meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail. This versatile piece pairs seamlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, and fusion wear, making it suitable for weddings, celebration, or formal gatherings. A must-have wardrobe essential. This blouse combines elegance, versatile comfort, bringing confidence, poise, and refined style to every symbol. This beautifully crafted blouse is a perfect combination of timeless style and modern sophistication. Made from high quality fabric, it offers a soft, breathable feel while draping gracefully, giving every outfit a refined, polished look. The subtle textures and rich finish add a touch of luxury, making it ideal for both festive occasion and casual elegance. The neckline is thoughtfully designed to enhance femininity and style, while tailored fit flatters the natural curve of the body, creating the confident and elegant silhouette. The sleeves are meticulously structured for both comfort and visual balance, adding to the blouse sophisticated charm. Attention to detail is evident in the fine stitching and flawless finish, reflecting expert craftsmanship and durability. This versatile blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, or fusion ensembles, making it suitable, perfect for weddings, parties, festivals, and formal gatherings. A wardrobe essential for women who value classic yet contemporary fashion. This blouse combines elegance, comfort, and style, elevating every look with grace and sophistication. This executive blouse is add a touch of sophistication and timeless beauty to any wardrobe. Made from premium quality fabric, it feels soft and breathable, ensuring all-day comfort while draping gracefully to enhance your silhouette. The rich textures and refined finish make it perfect for festive occasion, parties, weddings, or elegant everyday wear. The neckline is delicately styled to bring out feminine charm, while the tailored fit flatters the natural curves of the body, creating a confident and polished look. The sleeves are thoughtfully designed to combine comfort with elegance, completing the blouse with a balanced and refined appearance. Every detail from precise stitching of flawless finishing showcase expert craftsmanship and long-lasting quality. This versatile blouse pairs beautifully with sarees, lehengas, skirts, or fusion outfits. Adaptability and effortlessly designed with the choice for women who love shine with the grace. This beautifully designed blouse is a perfect example of timeless elegance and combined with modern sophistication, crafted from premium quality fabric. It offers soft and breathable fabric. It offers a soft and feel while draping gracefully to enhance your natural silhouette. The smooth textures and polished finish give it a luxurious look, making it ideal for weddings, festive occasions, parties, or stylish everyday wear. The neckline is carefully designed to add feminine charm and sophisticated with the tailored fit, flatters the body, creating confident grace. Graceful silhouette, the sleeves are structured smoothly to provide comfort and style, complementing the blouse with a refined touch. Fine stitching and impeccable finishing reflect high quality craftsmanship and durability. This versatile blouse pairs fusion wear, making it suitable for a wide variety of occasions. A wardrobe essential for women who appreciate elegance, comfort, and style. This blouse brings confidence points, effortless charm to every look. This stunning blouse is a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and contemporary design, made from premium quality fabric. It feels soft and breathable while maintaining a graceful drape that enhances every outfit. The rich textures and fine stitching give it a luxurious feel, making it ideal for festive occasion, weddings, parties, stylish everyday wear. The neckline is beautifully designed to accentuate femininity, while the tailored fit flatters the body, creating a confident, elegant silhouette. The sleeves are meticulously crafted to combine comfort with polished, refined look, completing the blouse with sophistication. Every detail from the precise stitching to the flawless finishing the reflects expert craftsmanship and durability. This versatile design pairs effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, fusion symbols, making it suitable for a wide range of occasions. A wardrobe essential for women who love fashion. This blouse brings together grace, style, comfort, elevating your look with effortless charm and sophistication. This executive blouse is designed to bring timeless elegance and modern style together, made from premium quality fabric that drapes gracefully to highlight your silhouette. The smooth texture and refined finish give it a polish and luxurious, perfect for parties, stylish everyday wear. The neckline is carefully crafted to enhance femininity and charm, while the tailored fit flatters the natural curve of the body and creating a confident gaze silhouette. The sleeves are thoughtfully designed to comfort and style, giving design comfort and the blouse balance and sophistication finish. Every detail from meticulously stitching to flawless finishing reflects expert craftsmanship and long-lasting quality. This versatile blouse pairs effortlessly with the adapting seamlessly to both traditional and contemporary looks. A wardrobe essential for women who appreciate elegance, comfort, and style. This blouse brings sophistication, charm, and effortless beauty to every assembles. This beautifully crafted blouse, the perfect blend of sophistication, comfort, and modern style, made from high quality fabric. It feels soft and breathable while draping gracefully to enhance your silhouette. The subtle textures and polished finish give it a luxurious and making it ideal for wedding, festive occasions, and parties or stylish everyday wear. The neckline is delicately designed to accentuate feminine charm, while the natural curves creating to confident graceful silhouette. The sleeves are carefully structured for both elegance and comfort, complementing the blouse with the refined balanced look. Attention to detail is evident in every stitch and finishing, reflecting superior craftsmanship and durability. This versatile and refined finish craftsmanship and durability. This versatile blouse pairs seamlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, and fusion assembles, adapting effortlessly to both traditional and modern styles. A must-have wardrobe essential. This blouse combines elegance, comfort, and style, elevating every outfit with grace and sophistication. This elegant blouse is a true combination of timeless style and contemporary sophistication, crafted from premium quality fabric. It feels soft and breathable while draping beautifully to enhance your silhouette. This smooth textures and flawless finish give it a luxurious look, making it perfect for festive occasion, weddings, parties, or stylish everyday wear. The neckline is carefully designed to highlight feminine charm, while the tailored fit flatters the body, creating a confident and graceful silhouette. The sleeves are precisely structured for comfort and structured, giving the blouse a polished and refined appearance. Every detail, from expert stitching to clean fine stitching, and reflects superior craftsmanship and ensures long-lasting durability. The versatile blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, fashion outfits, making it suitable for both traditional and modern symbols. A wardrobe essential for women who value elegance, comfort, and style. This blouse brings sophistication, charm, and effortless beauty to every look. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.